Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm just going to talk about these two cabinets I got. I did separate reviews on both of these if you want to look at my channel. That one is a US General 44-inch Series 2, which I got on clearance last year. Now the current one's a Series 3, which has black handles on it. Drawer configuration is slightly different. Then later on this year I bought the service cart 34-inch full bank service cart. I was going to buy a 27-inch, and I compared like the square per inches, cost per inch, and it ended up being a better deal for that, which I got on sale also. So this one here I use for all wood type tools. Okay, that's all the drill bits. There's some Dremel stuff, some bits, Sawzall blades, some car parts stuff, hot glue, caliper. It's all my sandpaper type things. Jigs, router bit, some other stuff for router. This is all my kind of my electronic testing stuff. Squares. These are files, punches. And these are more specialty type things. Okay. And I'd like to get a top for it, but I can't get one on here. This is slanted. This is actually an extension onto my garage. It's just the roof continues down to add this on, so I don't have a lot of space there. So yeah, the top will not fit. It will hit this wall. The only way I do that, I have to reconfigure my whole shop and put the tool cabinets over on this wall, which is not worth. I don't need one that bad. And here is this is basically the sockets. I got some Icon screwdrivers here. This is all ratchets, cordless. There's some there. Then all sorts of different type. Here's a gear wrench. Got some Icon. Got all sorts of different type of extensions. These are some impacts. All impacts. Sonics. You got some Pittsburgh. More impacts. Bigger ones. I couldn't fit everything on that drawer. Some of these things. These are nice for plumbing valves. Getting off the wall. Get really close to the wall with those. These are all my open end wrenches. There's some Oxwell, Stanley, Craftsman. There's a few different brands in here. Pittsburgh. So it's a mix. And that's all my pliers. Of course, you can continue to have pliers, different types of pliers for the rest of your life, right? And down here is where I keep some of my air tool stuff. Ingersoll Rand, Aircat. There's 3 different impacts here. Here's a Harbor Freight one I use for chiseling ice dam off my roof. And all different types of connectors. And then, of course, I got some magnetic stuff for the side of that. And you're looking at cabinets, there's so many different brands. You got the Yukon, which is a step down from US General. US General is the middle tier. And we got that high-end tier above General, which is Icon. All right. We got Husky, you know, from Home Depot, and we got Masterforce from Menards. I've heard a lot of good things about that Masterforce, the 72-inch. Heard a lot of good things about that. One guy actually said he liked it. It's better than Nikon. He thought don't hear that from me. That's what he said. So if you're looking for a 72-inch, you know, I mean, take a look at that Masterforce. The thing about US General, the price point on these are really good right now. Right now, as of today, was it October 2nd, 2024? The 72-inch is $300 off right now on a coupon, so that's a really good deal. Yeah, let's go look at them. You know, pull the drawers out of them, see if they wiggle, how solid it is. You know, tap the side of different brands of cabinets. So go to check out the Husky, check out the Masterforce, see how well they built. I heard a lot of good things about that Yukon line too. It's a lower cost line, but I mean, for not wheeling these things around a lot, you know, I'm actually looking at buying 2 Yukons, and I'm going to bolt them back to back, and I'm going to put a maple top on it, and I'm going to use it for a kitchen island, right? So that'd be cool, right? Right? These cabinets are perfect for kitchens, right? Heavy duty, right? I got to talk to my wife about that yet. But yeah, so take a look at these cabinets. This one's pretty good. I really like this 34-inch. I originally was looking at the 72-inch. Well, I don't did that much room, so I bought this one. I thought, well, then I need the room. Then I ended up buying this one. All right. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.